Today we are doing 12-7 volume of spheres, and here I have a picture of a sphere, and my formula is volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. So it's cubed, not squared, because it's the volume. So it gives us the diameter. So we know that we're looking in terms of the radius r, so we're going to have to divide 7 by 2. And so if I divide 7 by 2, I get 3.5. So my volume equals 4/3 pi times 3.5 cubed. So when I cube 3.5, and you must do that first because it's order of operations, you cannot multiply 4/3 by 3.5. You always have to do your exponents first. You have 3.5 times 3.5 times 3.5. Or you can use a cube button in your calculator if you know how to do that. So we're going to have 3.5 to the third power, and we end up getting 42.875. And so now we can multiply 42.875 times the 4/3 times the pi, and your final answer would be your volume equaling 179.6 feet cubed, and that would be your final answer for the volume of this particular sphere. When we look down here, it's going to ask you to find the radius of the sphere with the given volume. So with this particular problem, you need to plug in the information that you know into your volume of a sphere formula so you can find the radius. So if you remember, your formula for the volume of a sphere is volume equals 4/3 pi times r cubed. So we're going to plug in our volume, which is 3052.08, equaling 4/3 pi r, we don't know, cubed. So I'm going to solve for r by itself. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So let me move this up a little bit. And I'm going to multiply by 3 to both sides so I can get rid of that denominator of 3. 3 times 3052.08 is 9156.24, and that equals 4 pi r cubed. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 4, and these will go away, and I'll get 2289.06 equaling pi r to the third. And then I can divide both sides by pi. And you can either use 3.14 or the pi button in your calculator, and you would get 728.6 equaling r to the third. And I'm going to round this to 729. And we don't know how to do cubes yet. That's coming up in the next section. But what I want you to look at is what times what times what gives you 729. So you might have to mess around in your calculator for a while to figure out what that cube would be. But this particular cube to get r is 9. So 9 times 9 times 9 is 729. So the radius is 9.